If you haven't already, go over to Finalmouse and check out their new keyboard Centerpiece. It runs off Unreal Engine 5 and casts a video underneath the keyboard itself. It's really amazing. Go check it out. And this is Finalmouse. It's called Centerpiece. Look at this thing. If you want to spend way too much money on a keyboard, if you have some extra money laying around. How much is that? Hot dang. Yeah, wait. Watch what this thing does. Let me just full screen it really quick. Let's get in on it, huh? Look at this thing. You mean my new Centerpiece? Exactly. Look at that! Look at that! Look at what it's doing! This thing is crazy! Interactive skins powered by Unreal Engine 5. Look, what? We got Mufasa running through the Serengeti? Hey, look good, you play good, man. Imagine having like an ocean scene just right behind for all those hunting peckers. This would be perfect for hunting peckers because you actually get to look down at the ocean scene as you're typing, right? With a price tag of $349, go check this thing out and let me know if you think that it is worth the price.